150.
Okay. Here. 50. Okay. Perfect, right? Have a nice day. 자, 이제 전화합니다. 우리 미툰한테. 이제 우리 흑돼지 왜 어디 갔어? 글루글루. I'm L12. D block. Okay. D4 Delhi. Okay, thank you. 이게. Excuse me. D block. D block.
D.
Yes. 아, thank you. 단종아. 못 찾을 뻔했어. 그지? 어? 오, 가방을 안 갖고 다니네. 오케이. 바보 같아. 야, 가방을 안 갖고 내렸어.
मैं आपको फोन
Yes. I'm sorry. 저번에도 내가 이랬는데, 와, 씨. Thank you. 봐요, 이게 긴장을 풀고 있으면 큰일 날 뻔했네. 내가 야, 뭘 이렇게 허전하다 했다 내가 진짜. 정신이야.
와가.
Hi.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I'm going Mitun house.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Yes, I'm leaving to airport today.
Okay.
Okay, have a nice day, brother.
Next time I meet you.
Okay. 오, 우리 친구가 우연히 만났네. 야, 간담이 서늘합니다, 진짜. 하이. 어디야? 레프트 레프트 라이트. 라이트 레프트. 오케이. Oh, it's very heavy. No problem? Okay. 아, 힘들다. Your room? I forget. 바빠 이 친구. Oh, your father is a Linchi, huh?
Yeah, what?
Because your father, this house is your father's house. No?
No.
How much rent? Okay.
Then 1 month 18,000 rupees.
18? 18,000 for one room?
One room.
Only one room?
17, 16 like that.
You don't need, and you are not paying to your father to
Oh,
live
why?
here?
Why am I paying?
Namaste. I came here 10 years ago.
Oh, this like a room.
And you made very delicious food at that time.
खूब सुंदर खाना बना रहे हो इधर में.
और परिवार सब ठीक है?
Your family is good?
Yes. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, sit down. Sit.
Thank you. Oh, namaste. I'm good. And I came here 10 years ago.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Yeah,
I
you
know.
know, you
You
remember.
are talking to my friend here. Come to India.
Yes.
Okay.
इधर चलो.
Matches.
Lighter.
예전에는 10년 전에는 겨울 되면 다 추우니까 사람들이 막 타이어도 태우고 쓰레기도 태웠거든. 그래서 엄청 공해가 심했는데 지금은 좀 괜찮았다고 하는데 모르죠 뭐 또 겨울에 한번 와봐야 되는데.
Hello. How are you, Korean people? I love Korean people very much. You know, their food also. Their food is very. I like their food. Very delicious food is there. Especially kimchi. Yeah, kimchi. Bulgogi, pork galbi, and devkachbi, right?
제육볶음.
Yeah, jeopokam. Very nice. I already tried many times. Yeah.
예, 한국 음식 되게 좋아해가지고 예전에 많이 데려가줬죠 제가. 어쨌든 그래서 제가 이렇게 또 베푼 게 있어서 그런지 이렇게 또 좋은 대접을 오늘 또 받게 됐네요. Thank you, me too.
Here. This is fish.
어, fish.
Yeah. This is fish. This is dal.
달,
This is chicken.
chicken.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Same
same
thing.
thing.
Yeah.
The same thing. 달.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. 맛있어?
맛있어.
맛있어?
맛있어.
저도 먹어보겠습니다. 달.
Dal.
맛이 어제 먹은 거랑 좀 다르네. 아, 이거 집마다 약간.
What?
Yes, very nice. 맛있다.
맛있어?
아, same dal but different taste.
Yeah.
Yesterday I had a dal egg also.
Mandaram?
Yeah, but taste is different.
Okay, okay.
Yes, very good. But yesterday the color is not like that.
Okay. Color different? Color is different? Black.
Oh yes, black.
There are many kind of dal.
Ah, different dal, different ingredient, different
Right.
bean, maybe different bean. Is it river fish or sea? From sea?
See. Every sea fish, big one. হ্যাঁ? ভাত থাকবে না, ভাত বেশি হবে।
Ciao.
বল।
Very good. Thank you. Curry with meat.
Curry with meat.
이 쌀이 그냥 찰기가 없어가지고 배가 안 차네. 그래서 우리나라 쌀 먹으면 더 배부른데 이거 좀 덜 배불러요. 잠깐만. 발코니가 있어서 좋네.
This is my father room. My father room.
Can I? Same. Looking same. Father's room. 삼성 refrigerator. 텔레비전.
LG AC.
오, LG AC. Very clean.
They need
Nice color.
Yeah.
New paint.
Yeah, already 4 years.
원래 4year.
Good paint.
여기도 또 테라스가 있네. 살이 좋네. 또 올라옵니다. 좀 신발이 좋네. I just look around the house. Namaste. Namaste. Good mother. Namaste. Good.
Well,
No.
this is the kitchen room. Here's my sister. She's
Your sister. Nice. 이렇게. I had a very good meal. Thank you. 단내왔.
she's doing a business, sari business.
오, 사리.
Sari business. She's doing
Your sister doing 사리
Sari
business.
business, yeah.
오, 핑크. very good. 두루루루뚜. 오. money? Ah.
Close God.
What, temple?
Sitting there.
Yes.
Hey, just.
Oh,
Now
shoes.
this time, good for God time.
Yes.
You have to use that shoes. Yeah.
Ah.
All God is there.
Who's that? Your friend? Nancy?
No. This is our main Guru.
Guru. Ah.
Like that.
And Lakshmi.
Lakshmi.
Yes.
That is Lakshmi.
Yeah,
To give always money.
Ah, Lakshmi. Money. Please give me money, Lakshmi. Your room?
Yeah.
Another your room? You have two room? Ah, that's a guest room rent.
Well, that's rent. We'll sit sleeping here.
Ah, you're sleeping here?
Ah.
Oh. Bon Hitachi.
This one is
Yeah.
my father bought this one.
Okay.
Not me. Yeah.
Oh, your room is color is like green.
Green.
Oh, peaceful. Oh, and is here is a smoking area. Eh? Here is a smoking area.
Smoking area. You
Wow.
can see picture.
Oh, very good.
I will show you something. I will show you something. Come here.
Yes.
This many kind of trees.
Oh.
My grandmother's planting.
Ah.
Like this is the papaya
Oh.
and like turmeric.
Turmeric.
Yeah, this is the flower. This kind of flower. This kind of flower. Like that. Many kind of.
And you are growing this kind of thing and eat
Yeah.
here, making the food.
This is also our food.
Oh, really?
This but it very delicious.
Oh.
You can see everything from here.
Yes, very nice.
Aloe vera. Aloe vera.
Ah, yeah. Which one?
Aloe vera.
이거?
No, this one, that one.
Ah, aloe.
Aloe vera. Good for our skin.
Skin.
Morning time, feeling very fresh. Cool. Feeling cool.
Yes.
Now it's hot there.
And the laundry
Yeah.
here?
Laundry outside and put.
Put here. Very good house.
Bro,
Oh, yes.
small but good. Small but,
Oh,
but
small, very good. Oh,
but good.
convenient.
Convenient.
Yes, comfortable. Yes.
Open.
Yeah, have many plants
Plant,
on top and also laundry and just dry very easily.
Very
Yeah, very easily. And you can throw away many
Cigarette.
cigarette here. Your maybe neighbor would have to clean up. Very nice house. Nice color. Mint color. Who chose this color? Oh, very good choice.
For different places, for different room, have a different color.
Oh, yes. Green, yellow.
कितना टाइम हो गया?
ठीक है ना?
Time.
हाँ, ठीक है।
She's saying that you come again.
Oh, okay. Maybe 10 years later. Thank you, धन्यवाद. Thank you. When you get married, which place you want to go?
Maldives.
Maldives. Okay. And second,
Second is Andaman Nicobar.
안다만 이거라.
Third Goa.
Third is Goa.
Yeah,
Not North Island.
No, I don't like that.
Okay.
Because because climbing is there and rounding that you can go around.
Just you like the beach.
Good, beach is good.
Thank you, me too. Have a nice day. We can meet maybe. Okay. 5074. Okay. Thank you.
Bye bye.